Hello, how to solve for s from this equation? S minus 4 raised to power 4 is equal to s raised to power 4. Solution. S minus 4 raised to power 4 is equal to s raised to power 4. Then this is s minus 4 to the power of 4. If you bring this to this side, it becomes minus s to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Now this can be written as x minus 4 square, then square, minus s square is equal to 0. This is in the form of perfect square. If you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b, where a is equal to s minus 4 square and b is equal to s square. Then let's substitute. We have s minus 4 square minus s square multiplied by s minus 4 square plus s square. Everything is equal to 0. Now s minus 4 square is s square minus 8s plus 16, then minus this s square multiplied by s minus 4 square is s square minus 8s plus 16, then plus this s square is equal to 0. Then from here we have s square minus s square. This we cancel this. We are left with minus 8x plus 16 multiplied by s square plus s square, that is 2 s square minus 8s plus 16 is equal to 0. Now there are two cases here. The first case is minus 8s plus 16 is equal to 0, or the second case 2s square minus 8s plus 16 is equal to 0. And from here, minus 8s is equal to minus 16. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by minus 8 divided by minus 8 divided by minus 8. This will cancel this. Minus 8 here, 1, minus 8 here, 2. S is equal to 2. This is the first value of x. And from the second case here, so we can still reduce this by dividing all through by 2. Let's divide this. Let's divide all through by 2. This divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 8. So this is s square minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in its reduced form, and this can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. From this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 8. Let's substitute. S is equal to minus, bracket, minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 4, that is 4, plus or minus square root of minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 8, 32 over 2. This is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 16 over 2. Then S is equal to 4 plus or minus 4i over 2, because root of minus 1 is equal to I. And from here, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, and 2 here 2. S is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i. Therefore, our final answers are S1 is equal to 2, then S2 is equal to 2 plus 2i, and S3 is equal to 2 minus 2i. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.